Hey team, Michael Burns here, McTech Los Angeles. Heading into the office, getting ready to kick off June. Just had a nice Memorial Day. Here we go. So, McTech's really been in operation now, full, headstrong, hardcore for last, really since January. Appreciate everyone reaching out with kind words of support. And the prevailing question we keep getting is, what does it mean to get behind the candelabra as a sales guy? Well, I'll try and sum it up real quick. Mr. Fasano and I truly believe that sales is a science, but it's also an art. And as much as I appreciate and live in that science, I always focus on the art as well. Those two things combined will give you your craft. And if you own your craft, you will be very successful. So when we talk about getting behind the candelabra, what we're talking about is someone who's combined the art and the craft and really understands that to be great in sales, it's all about the showmanship of their salesmanship. So here at McTech, we're huge fans of Liberace, because at a piano playing level, he really understood the science of it. At the more important level, when he put that candelabra on and put those suits on and put on the show, he got into the art. So when you combine those things, he was a showman. So when you ask yourself if you hit your number, or you're not getting the interaction, or your cancellation rate's a little high, or you don't feel comfortable going for that close, it's probably because you haven't gotten enough of the crowd or the customer to buy into that show. So right now, you're sitting there saying, man, I'm a feature seller. And that's what's really happening right now. Too many feature sellers and not enough showmen. So put a little bit more energy into your interaction, put a little bit more energy into your overall appearance, put a little bit more energy into your creativity, live and die by the golden rule of sales, which is be interested and be interesting. And I don't think I've ever figured out a way to get everyone to buy into myself or buy into Nick. But I will tell you this, people are interested, and interest drives interaction, and interaction drives sales. So at the end of the day, yes, content is very important, but it's not king, right? Delivery is king. And I am in the delivery business, and McTech is in the delivery business. So when we say live behind the candelabra, what we say is put all your energy into the showmanship of your salesmanship. So that's it for today. Hope that was helpful and cleared some stuff up. So have a great start to Q2. Go kill it. Put all that energy in. And remember, practice safe, boom, Mike.